In a significant development, a man has voluntarily surrendered to the Kerala police regarding the recent serial blast that rocked a prayer meeting in Kalamassery on Sunday morning. The alleged individual, identified as Dominic Martin, has claimed affiliation with the same religious group involved in the incident. Kerala's ADGP, Ajit Kumar, disclosed this information, emphasizing the ongoing investigation into the case. The blast occurred at the Zamra International Convention and Exhibition Center in Kalamassery, resulting in one fatality and numerous injuries. 5 individuals are currently in serious condition. The tragic incident unfolded during a Jehovah's Witnesses prayer meeting in the Kalamassery area of Kochi at approximately 9 am. Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan expressed his condolences, describing it as a deeply unfortunate event. Kerala's State Director General of Police, Sheikh Darvesh Sahib, revealed that the initial findings point out to the use of improvised explosive devices in the explosions. A comprehensive investigation is underway, with the 36 injured individuals receiving treatment in the various district hospitals.
Today morning at 9:40 a.m. approximately, there was an explosion in Zamra International Convention Center, Kalamassery, in which one person died and 36 persons are undergoing treatment as per our information. In that convention center, Jehovah Witness regional convention was happening, and all our senior officers, including the Commissioner of Police and others, are at the spot. They are investigating the matter. At the same time, I would request everyone to maintain peace, remain calm, and I also request that no provocative posts or hate posts should be posted on the social media. If anybody is doing such thing, we will take very stringent action against them also. Thank you. Preliminary investigation shows it is a IED device and we are examining it.
Stay tuned for more updates as this story continues to develop.